How to change login email in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the login email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom just right here. Select it. Then here you can find privacy and security just right here. Now select it. From here you can find login email just right here. Now tap on it. Then tap on to change email right here. Then from here you can simply change your login email. Now add a new email just like this and tap on to continue right here. And by doing this you will simply change your login email. And that's it. This is how you can change login email in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.